It's very rare na makakita ko ng Indonesian restaurant dito sa Metro Manila. But one time when I went to Makati, I've stumbled upon Wardo Indonesian Restaurant dito sa may San Agustin. They're open 24 hours from Monday to Saturday kaya sobrang okay to sa mga cravings ng Indonesian food. Apart from Indonesian dishes, meron din silang mga Indonesian snacks. Ang daming options sa menu nila. Actually, hindi ako masyadong familiar with Indonesian food, so ang in-order ko lang is something that is familiar to me. I wanted something soupy kaya nag-order ako ng bakso tembak for 170 pesos. It comes with this green chili dip. Ang bakso is an Indonesian meatball soup. And the one served to me is may isang malaking meatballs na may itlog sa loob. The soup is very flavorful. Very umami at lasang-lasa mo talaga yung fried garlic and onion flavors. I would give this perfect score 5 subo. As for the main dish, I've ordered nasi goreng with fried chicken. I really love nasi goreng kasi ang dami niyang elements and flavors that makes eating it very enjoyable. The one I ordered has vegetables, has eggs, merong fried rice, and meron din siyang sambal. All the side dishes are really very good, although medyo na-disappoint ako sa chicken kasi malamig na nung sinerve. I would say napakasarap din ng sambal na included dito sa dish na to. And also tong side dish na to na I don't know, shredded coconut ba to? Let me know in the comments kung alam nyo. So overall verdict ko para dito sa dish na to is 4 na subo. This is my total bill and I would say it's quite affordable and babalik ako dito to try the other Indonesian dishes. So follow me for more food and travel adventures. Yun lang, bye!